Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right net and stance. Hold the horn in your dominant hand and let the rest of the net drape. This keeps weights aligned and prevents tangles. Once done, fold one half into your other hand so you can fling a wide arc. Make sure to keep a short section of line free for a clean pull. Shift your weight to the back foot and prepare a smooth, controlled swing, not a yank. Aim low and level for best spread. You now focus on timing and technique. Begin with a strong sweep from your hip, then follow through with a wrist flick to turn the loop into a flat, flying disc. Once you reach full extension, release the horn and let the weights lead the perimeter. This is why the wrist snap matters. Make sure to adjust for wind or current by aiming up current or upwind so the net lands where fish are likely to be. Keep your knees soft to absorb the motion. You finish by letting the net sink and then retrieving it with steady, even pulls on the retrieval line so the weights draw the mesh closed. Once the net is aboard, inspect for catches and any snags in the mesh. Rinse and dry the net to prevent rot. If the net doesn't spread, stop and rewind instead of forcing another cast. Untangle weights, smooth folds, and practice a slower, fuller wrist snap until you get a reliable circular throw. That corrects most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.